preacher Apostle Chiwenga has confirmed the collapse of his marriage to Nyasha Vanessa, revealing that the couple only lived together for 4 days after introducing her to the church before separating. Sambina mashoko kubuda panguva ino chinonzi Apostle Tali Chiwenga wodivorca aiwa the new wife wake aiwa achiti akangogara naye kwemazuva 4 kubva pavakanomurora and kuzosvika panguva ino vachidivorca. And was subscribe or like on the bell. The revelation was made during a recent live church broadcast in which Chiwenga said he owed his followers an explanation. Chiwenga, who introduced Vanessa to his congregation in May 2024, disclosed that he officially married her on 16 December 2023. However, he said the union was troubled from the beginning and they first separated in February 2024. In quotes, "We lived together only for 4 days. After that, I sent her back home," Apostle Chiwenga said during the broadcast. There were a lot of irregularities in her personality that I could not live with. Some of the things I only discovered on the day I had to introduce her to the church. The apostle told his congregants that he had faced many temptations before meeting Vanessa. He stressed that the decision to marry was not taken lightly and that he had followed the proper steps. It was not an experiment to marry her, he said. I did everything in order. Apostle Chiwenga said he made a final decision that the marriage was irreconcilable in August 2024. He added that, in his view, Vanessa had failed to meet the basic standards expected of a wife, particularly for someone married to a church leader. She failed by aspects to meet the standards of a woman who could be married by any man, let alone a man of God, he said. The preacher also made serious accusations during his address. He claimed that Vanessa has been spying on him and recording personal conversations without his consent. She was working with external people to record incriminating things, he alleged. He even suspected that she tried to poison me. Ndobashuka anobuda panguva ine arikashitaurwa pana vanatalent Chiwenga pamusoro pekudivorca kwaakaita awa nemukadzi wake. Tudze mafunguro enyu mutikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Kuna comment section medu mafunguro enyu. Subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.